This video is about lip lightening. This is a game changer for me, and it can be a game changer for you. I've got 4 ingredients here that we are going to talk about for lip lightening. For me being a light-skinned person, I have dark lips, okay? So this has helped me tremendously to lighten my lips. Oh, also, don't forget to get your free ebook in the link below, 20 herbs for healing your body. So let's get started with this video. So we've got brown sugar. Gonna give it a little. Okay. Also, this is a tablespoon of brown sugar, and I also have a half a teaspoon of licorice root powder that I'm adding to it. This has helped me, you guys. I cannot, this is game changer right here. This is game changer, okay? And then we're going to add some honey, preferably raw, organic. And this is a lip scrub. Put that in there. Get all of that out of there. Okay. And then we're going to take a lemon, and we're just going to squeeze it in here. Okay. Now, these ingredients have worked so well for me. When I tell you, I saw results immediately. I mean, you have to try this. You have to try this. And you just, it's a gentle, you don't have to scrub hard. It only takes just a little bit. And you just, it's just a lip scrub. And it's, you try to leave it on for about, and I'm going to put a little bit on because I love this stuff, y'all. I love this stuff, okay? And you just rub it in your lips, like, leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and just massage it on there. This can be your nighttime routine, okay? And just let it sit. And you can make it as thick as you want, or it could be like mine, or it could be, you can put more sugar, you can add less lemon, and just let it stay on as long as you can for 5 to 10 minutes. And then just rinse it off. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget your free ebook in the link below.